This is a project about the immune system. The functions of the immune system. Protection from illness by removing the disease. Remembers current diseases by flagging it for the future. Builds itself stronger every time it gets infected by learning from the disease. The major organs and parts. Skin because it acts like a barrier. Bone marrow because it produces white blood cells, red blood cells, and produces helper B and T cells. The spleen because it filters blood, removes old cells, and helps fight infections. The lymphatic vessels because it is the network that carries the lymphatic fluid and immune cells. The thymus because it is where T cells learn to recognize threats. And finally, white blood cells are the main defenders of the body. Overview of how the immune system defends. First, the initial reaction. This is the first defense and responds within minutes to hours. It reacts to every single virus and does not create any memory for future infections and triggers inflammation to bring more immune cells. Adaptive immunity takes days to activate, but is very specific. It uses the B cells to produce antibodies and the T cells to kill infected cells. The immune system has the memory, and after the first infection, it remembers it, and any future of the same type are handled much faster and stronger. The lymphatic organs, or the things that support the immune system, such as the spleen, lymph nodes, and thymus, help support and strengthen the immune system. The lymph nodes trap viruses and activate immune cells. The spleen filters blood and removes old damaged cells, and the thymus matures T cells so it can kill viruses faster. The circulatory helps transport immune cells and chemical systems to warn the body there is something wrong. It helps move immune signals and proteins to get to the infection faster so it can help you faster. It moves damaged cells to the spleen to be removed from the bodies, and it expands blood vessels to move more blood faster and easier so it can get in the infected area and fight faster. The two common diseases that occur the most is the common cold and the flu. The symptoms that you would get if you get a common cold are sneezing, stuffy nose, sore throat, and coughing. And lastly, the flu. The symptoms you would get if you get the flu are coughs, sore throat, fever, and body aches, similar to the common cold, but slightly worse. How do we use our immune system in our daily life? So we don't die in a common cold or a flu or any other infection.